Osceola County, Florida, Mobile Home Installer Bond. What is Osceola County, Florida, Mobile Home Installer Bond? The Osceola County, Florida, Mobile Home Installer Bond is a surety bond required for professionals who install mobile homes within the county. It ensures that installers follow local building codes, safety standards, and county regulations. This bond provides financial protection to consumers if the installer violates rules or performs faulty work. Why is Osceola County, Florida, Mobile Home Installer Bond required? The bond is required to protect homeowners and the county from losses caused by improper or unsafe mobile home installation. It encourages installers to meet all legal and technical standards. By having the bond in place, Osceola County ensures that only qualified and compliant installers operate within its jurisdiction. How Osceola County, Florida, Mobile Home Installer Bond work? If an installer fails to comply with county regulations or causes damage due to poor workmanship, a claim can be filed against the bond. The surety company may pay for valid claims up to the bond amount, but the installer must reimburse the surety afterward. This system holds installers financially accountable while ensuring consumers have a path to recover damages. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.